I would advise you to question everything before you go to talking. See, that's the thing. I mean, if that's what you believe, go ahead on and believe that. I ain't got shit to do with that. That's on you. Shit, get your ass on out of here. Fuck, believe what you want to believe. Because if there was love in your religion and what you believe in, if there was love in there, you will be able to receive this unconditional love that I'm speaking, this authenticity. Because I'm vibrating on a love frequency. You believing in something outside of yourself. But you don't believe in self. God is within you, not outside of you. They tell you this in this Bible, but you cannot see it because of the vibrational frequency, because of the fear. It disconnects you from your heart. It disconnects you from your spiritual discernment. But y'all always want to yap, yap, yap. See the best way to, the closest way to God is to listen. Meditation gets you closer to God. Y'all steadily getting on y'all knees, begging, talking the whole while, but you ain't listening. That's your problem. Shut the fuck up when love is speaking. Y'all don't know how to shut up when love's speaking. You're supposed to listen. Gather yourself. I love you. It's just a simple fact that you don't love yourself, which is why you cannot receive this love that I'm giving you equals truth. Lies equals hate. You protecting a lie. You protecting a lie. So peace be with you. I love you still. I love you still. For you know not who you are or who you dealing with. But see, they told you the Christ was coming back, right? They ain't say nothing about your Jesus character. They said Christ. See, y'all can't read between the lines. Y'all can't see through the bullshit because your eye is calcified. The all-seeing eye is calcified. You're so afraid of that this is that Christ consciousness right here coming back to lead you into the light, and you still fight. Y'all believing in somebody that you never met, you never know to be true. You only believe because you were programmed to believe that. See, the way that you think ain't even your thought process. Somebody put that there. Learn how to think for yourself. Think outside of the box. That third dimensional consciousness, that limited belief system. Y'all don't, anything outside of that box, you got a problem with because it's kryptonite, because you scared. See what I'm saying? I'm calling it like I see it. You're a coward. You're a coward because you won't face reality. You are scared of yourself. God is within you, not outside of you. I love you still. Peace be with you. Because in due time you will see. And when you see, still operating out of fear, you ain't gonna be able to handle it. And that's what's happening now. We are upgrading. See, this energy that is coming in, it is advancing you where you are. See what I'm saying? It's advancing you where you are. So the low vibrational beings, they don't know how to transmute that energy for their greatest good. It's affecting them in a negative way. They are destroying themselves. Oh, they got a lot of Jesus believers on here. You are destroying yourself. The enemy cannot destroy you. That's why he manipulated you into destroying yourselves. See what I'm saying? But you don't know. This is not a Jesus page. Shay, that goes to show you if there was peace, if there was harmony, if there was love in religion, y'all would be able to mind your business. You will be able to come in here and not cause commotion. That's where y'all stuck at though. Or if you don't believe if motherfucker don't believe what you believe, then you got a problem with it. You spread hate, right? That's why there is no unity within your community. And the very like religious folks, you can see that, but you act like you don't see that. Y'all not even unified within your own community. Finesse you out your power. You don't even see it. And you try to attack the ones that were sent here to help free your ass, right? Because I can't free you if you ain't consenting to it. You consent